the Transit Headliner Shelf from Flatline Van Co. Everyone knows that the headliner area in any van is typically the biggest waste of space. Now, you can solve that problem and gain an ample amount of extra storage space above the driver and passenger area for blankets, gear, maps, or whatever else you need for your adventures. With strategically placed L-track, compatible tie-down points, and a lip on the edge of the rack, this headliner shelf will keep all your valuables safe and secure even when the roads get tough. You can order an optional curtain rod to add an extra level of separation and security between your cab and the living space on your van. There's even integrated hooks for hanging towels, coats, or anything else keeping it off the floor and out of the way in your van. Our Transit Headliner Shelf uses existing factory holes and hardware, so there's no need for drilling or any new holes. We include some additional hardware for bolting the shelf down to the brackets, but the rest of the hardware is already in your van. The simplicity of this product, paired with our detailed install guide and tutorial video, makes getting this feature installed a walk in the park. You'll have extra storage in your van in a matter of minutes, strong enough to hold whatever you throw at it, and discreet enough to not distract from the rest of your interior. Head to flatlinevanco.com to pick up one of your own.